Oh, right now it's 7, 8. Actually, my plan was to, uh, okay, it's 24th of January. Anyways, let's go low and slow, dude. Like, no, there is no hurry as such. So, yeah, I'll just cruise. Hey, what's up, dog? Damn. Oh, damn, dude. It's pretty cold. It's very cold actually. No, it's damn cold. I should just, you know what? I will just wear my gloves right now because it's damn cold. Way too cold. I hope I have bought my gloves and I don't see. It doesn't seem that. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, this is good. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad that I bought my gloves though because it's damn cold, dude. It's way too cold. I can't handle it. Why is it so cold? I mean, it's winter though, but yeah. Anyways, I'm not wearing such any jackets or so. I'm just wearing a hoodie, by the way, and gloves, knee guards, and boots, obviously, and a good helmet, by the way. I'm wearing this like for. I'll just saddle here. That felt good. Another one. This is of no use, dude. Like,
it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
look at this. These are if there is a total if this shit was working right, then I would be sticking up my mobile into that, and the navigation part for me would be so damn easy. But it's just not holding up for some reason. I don't know. Look at no, I mean it is a pretty good mount, but not for this bike. You know, I'm quite glad that the railway gates are down because it was so cold. Damn, dude, I really needed to rest, but I kind of didn't know where to stop. But I think now is the time. But it really feels good. Damn. So now I'm out on the what the what bike was that? Anyways, now I am out on the highway. I mean, it is the only properly constructed highway road to reach to Goa from Dharwad. This is the only road I have encountered yet, and it's so fucking dusty, right? Shit, it's almost shit, dude. Like, it's so fucking dusty. So the river is full. Okay, that's a good place actually. road here is currently being constructed, as you can see, but it's after a long time, dude. I mean, this particular patch of road was left like this. It was just thrown away like this for around 5 to 6 years. Then after that I think they got permit to construct the roads, and now they are just trying to construct the roads. It's totally obnoxious. And about the dust, I can't brag enough about the dust on this road, dude. My helmet has already eaten a kilo of dust, and see, that's what you get after a speed run, right? You have a very good speed run on the highway, and then the roads are like this. But anyways, जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है. that's I think that's valid. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. So we'll meet in the next batch. Till then, bye. Chainy. What? Let me have a good look at that. What is that? Chainy. The name itself is so zesty enough that it's not zesty, but it's... What do you mean by chainy? In Canada it means maje. No. For real, dude, for real. In Canada it means maje. But what do you even mean by chainy? Is it a good product? Like, what is that? I